Hello students, welcome to my next lecture. Topic for today's session is Introduction to Operations Management. I Dr. Rondhevale welcome you all. This is online lecture series. The subject is Operations and Supply Chain Management. This is lecture number 1. Don't forget to subscribe. We will start with our session. Learning objective for today's sessions are to understand the operations management as a transformation process, to define operations management, and to know the key difference between production management and operations management. We will start with our session. Operations management is an area of management concerned with designing and controlling the processes of production and redesigning the business operations in the production of various goods and services. It involves the responsibility of ensuring the business operations are efficient in terms of using few resources as they needed and effective in terms of meeting customer requirements. It is concerned with managing the entire production system, which is the process that converts inputs. Inputs are in form of raw material, labor, energy, etc. This input is converted into outputs. Output can be in the form of goods and services as an asset or delivers a product or services. We will continue with this operations management. Operations produces products, manages quality, and creates services. Operations management covers sectors like banking systems, hospitals, companies, working with suppliers, customers, and using various latest technologies. Operations management is one of the major functions in organizations along with various other functions like supply chains, marketing, finance, business analytics, and HR. The operations functions requires management of both strategic and day-to-day production of goods and services. Now we will see various inputs for any organization. The inputs can be labor, raw material, machineries, market demand, and capital information. This input can be transferred into it can be transformed into various products and services, that is output, but the transformation process is done using the production, design, production planning and control, such type of various activities. Finally, the inputs are being transformed into outputs. Output can be various products and services. Operations management is the transformation process, that is conversion of various inputs into outputs through the transformation process that we have seen. In managing manufacturing or service operations, several type of decisions are made, including operation strategy, product design, process design, quality management, capacity facility planning, production planning, and inventory control, and so on. Each of these activities requires ability to analyze the current situation and to find better solutions to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the manufacturing or service operations or both. Now we will see various definitions of operations management. Definitions of operations management. According to Chase and Jacob, operations management, that is OM, is defined as the design, operations and improvement of the systems that creates and delivers the firm's primary products and services. Like marketing and finance, operations management is a functional field of business with clear line management responsibilities. We will see another definition. According to Stevenson, operations management is the management of processes or systems that creates goods or provide services or both. It encompasses forecasting, capacity planning, scheduling, managing inventories, assuring qualities, motivating employees, deciding whether to locate facilities, buying various type of materials and equipments, and maintaining them and more. So according to Stevenson, this is the definition of operations management. Now we will see another definition of operations management. According to Ray Wild, operations management is concerned with the design and operations of systems for manufacturing, support, supply or service. In other words, it deals with the operating system, which is a configure of resources combined for provision of goods and service. The operating system consists of manufacturer, transform, transport, supply and service. Now we will see the concept of production. So what is production? Production is the value addition process. Value addition is done at each stage of processing. Production function is that part of an organization which is concerned with the transformation of a range of inputs into the required outputs. Required outputs are here products, having the requisite of the quality levels. Now we will see definition of production. Production is the step-by-step conversion of one form of a material into another form through chemical or mechanical process to create or enhance the utility of the product for the ultimate users, that is for the customers. We will continue with the production. Some examples of productions are manufacturing custom-made products like boilers with a specific capacity, constructions of flats, some structural fabrication works for selected customers, etc., and manufacturing standardized products like cars, bus, motorcycles, televisions, mobile phones, and so on. We will continue with the production. The main objective of production management is to produce goods and services of right quality, right quantity at the right time and at minimum possible cost. It is also tries to improve the efficiency. An efficient organization can face competition effectively. So this was about production. Now what is operations? We have just seen operations management in detail, but we will just see now what is operation. An operation is defined in terms of the mission it serves for the organization, technology it employs, and the human and managerial processes it involves. Operations is an organization can be categorized into manufacturing operations and service operations. So operations can be further categorized into manufacturing, that is production operations, and service operations, depending on the final output, whether it is product or whether it is service. So just now we have seen what do you understand by operations, what do you understand by production. Now we will see the key difference between productions management and operations management. So production versus operations. First we'll start with meaning of production. Production management connotes the administration of the range of activities belonging to the creation of products, whereas meaning of operations is operations management refers to the part of management concerned with production and delivery of goods and services as well. Next difference point, production versus operations. Now this point is decision making. In production management, decision making related to the aspect of production, whereas in operations management, decision making is related to the regular business activities. Production versus operations, key objective. Key objective of production management is to produce right quality goods in right quantity at right time and at least possible cost. Key objective for operations management is to utilize resources to the extent possible so as to satisfy customer wants. Production management found in all such enterprises where manufacturing or production is undertaken, whereas operations management found in various banks, hospitals, companies including production companies, agencies, etc. So learning outcomes for today's session. We have learned operations management as a transformation process, that how it transforms raw material into final goods. Then we have seen various definitions of operations management. We have also seen the key differences between production management and operations management. In my next video, we will learn historic evolution from productions to operations management. We will also learn manufacturing trends in India and historic summary of operations management. This is the book of Simba Publications, Operations and Supply Chain Management. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks from Dr. Rohan Dahiwale. These are some references I have used for preparing this video. Thank you.